Meadow, 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 Meadow. Guess where we're going today? Meadow, Meadow, come on, come on. Guess where we're going today? Guess where we're going today? Meadow. We're going to Disneyland.
Okay.
Oh.
Yo, alright, so this is our rum.
Wait. Before you make a mess of it, let Mommy and River.
No, I'm doing this.
Take
This is our rum.
We're taking videos.
Fine, take video.
Okay.
Whoa. I know, this is like what I'm super excited for. How do we turn on the lights?
I'm gonna have to blur that out.
Okay.
So the Bam shake is a fruit apple shake. It's made with vanilla, frosted jam.
This is one.
So I finished that. I finished that milkshake, and oh my gosh, is it ginormous! I still have to eat dinner.
Look at all that money, you could just sweep it up.
Yeah, if only we were allowed to do that.
Everybody, there will be no coins in there for it. Look at all those in the... Yeah!
Okay. It's sprinkles. Oh my gosh. Those look so good.
Oh, I skipped that out. I skipped that out. I'm sorry, I skipped it.
Oh, that looks so good. It's my ramen. After I ate my milkshake, I'm not that hungry. Yeah, I'm not finishing that. Yeah. All right. That was a good day. All right. Bye. See you tomorrow.
So we woke up, we're now out shopping for some stuff. This Disney store is pretty cool. Getting ready to go to a character breakfast.
So the pool for this place is actually like really cool. It's insanely loud though. They're doing construction on up there. But look at that. Look at that like little pool slide fun area thing. What? Okay. Here you go.
Took a picture of taking a picture.
No, I took a video of taking a picture. That's different.
We're vlogging and we're going to Goofy's kitchen. So excited.
So we're at Goofy's breakfast place. It's cool and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat. This omelet I made looks really good. Well, that was a lot of food. That was also like really good. So we're at the pool now, and we're just gonna chill here. I'm gonna be reading my book for a while my dad does his computer stuff. So yeah. So just got back from the pool. That was fun. I had a decent chunk of the way through my book, which is pretty good. And yeah. So we just got into Disneyland and we're in the parks and it's like, hold up, what night is it again?
Thursday night.
Yeah, but like, what is the event that's going on?
Sweethearts May.
Yeah, so we got that going on. So we got like apparently special events and special foods. We got beef stew in like bread and stuff. It's delicious.
It's called a bread bowl, right?
Bread bowl, in a bread bowl. This is a really long line. Birdie, why do I have to sit on the sides?
Because I want you to.
Birdie,
Stop videoing people, dude.
why? No. Hey, Autumn, this is my favorite part of this place.
Yeah.
I love these areas. Autumn, look at that. It's a 15-minute. Oh wait, are they closing it?
You've got to be.
No, thank you.
That's my blue milk. I love this blue milk. I want like to get the recipe for this because it's like so sugary. So while we're still stuck in line and going out to the boat, I think this is a great time to tell you that according to YouTube Analytics...
That's right. According to YouTube Analytics, less than 2% of people have subscribed to my channel. It's not hard and would mean a whole lot to me if you could hit the red sub button down below. Now back to the video.
They're the same ride. Why?
Going to Space Mountain, yeah.
Well, we're gonna do the thing soon. Meh, that was okay. They didn't have the fireworks because they called it off, but oh well, this works. Ugh, that was a good day. I fulfilled my goal. It's 1:25 in the morning. Ugh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Best breakfast ever. Where are we going?
We are going to California Adventure on Disneyland.
Yeah, we're going over there. From over here to over there to go do rides and fun stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go take a picture in front of this. The broken waterfall. It's not working. It's all empty, but okay. Nothing that cool about that waterfall right now. I don't know why we did that. A lot of Chinese New Year stuff going on. And that Ferris wheel looks really sketchy.
It's not recognize me with my car.
Oh, so it does go upside down. Oh, and we're gonna have to go on that. Okay. Cross my fingers it goes well.
What does it mean to your family to have this
This looks scary. That was actually a really fun ride. It was not that scary. Lightning lane, baby. Let's go. Hey, Mom, what ride is this again?
Spider-Man web slingers.
Spider-Man Web Slingers? Okay. Well, I got 122. Autumn got 132. I still think I did better than Autumn, though.
No, you didn't.
Okay. Well, now we're going on to like the really scary one, apparently.
Yep.
You ready? You ready for a rebranded Tower of Terror?
Yes, I am. This is gonna be fast.
Yeah. What'd you think of the ride?
It was amazing. Honestly, I think it was better than the Tower of Terror.
Hey, Autumn.
Yeah?
Where are we going to dinner?
I don't know.
Okay. Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Where are we going to dinner?
Lamplight Lounge.
Autumn, we made it here at dinner, right?
Yep.
That's a nice view. Man, that sky is beautiful. That was a good dinner. Well, what are we doing next?
Oh, we're going to Goofy Sky School.
All right, so backup plan. The other ride closed down. So now we're going on the Ferris wheel thingy. They're swinging. Any regrets?
No.
You might have them when I throw up on you.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. You know, I heard somewhere the Ferris wheels are a fun couples ride.
Not this one.
Well, that was a good show. Well, that was a fun day. That show at the end was really great. I'm also really tired again today. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, back to the same breakfast as yesterday. It's delicious. All right, Meadow, where are we going back to?
Disneyland?
So we're going back to the Disneyland one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're going back to the Disneyland one. Horsey. 100-year anniversary of Disney. That's cool.
Put down your phone.
So we're back in Star Wars land. We're gonna go to what is it, Oga's Cantina or something?
We're going to Oga's and you're going to get some great footage.
Okay. So we're gonna go like eat fancy drinks and stuff.
Yeah, we're going to eat fancy drinks.
We're gonna eat fancy drinks.
Always afraid.
I love their like animatronic DJ that they have just chilling on up there. So we just got out of the Oga's Cantina place, and now we're doing Rise of the Resistance.
Good. Fast heading our way. Raise the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
That's insane.
Yes, General.
Again, the Resistance uses the colors that the Imperium assigned us. How does that make sense? Whoa, those are huge. Whoa! Rise of the Resistance was really good. I like that ride. That's a fun one. We're gonna be doing Splash Mountain, which is Meadow. You got this. This ride is amazing. You're gonna love it, right, Meadow? Yeah.
You're videoing it.
Yeah.
You're just trying to make your viewers more excited. It's different. You said one by one.
Yeah, but it still works. Wait, I'm towards the front. I don't want to be towards the front. Oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! What did I sign up for?
That's just where you're going.
Now I'm soaked. Well, you're more soaked. But oh well. That was a fun ride. So we're at dinner right now. And we got a show after this, but I've already showed you it during Sweethearts Night. So that was a fun day with a lot of rides and stuff like that. So I have to wake up early to leave tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye. So we woke up early today. We're heading out early to go home. Didn't eat any breakfast, but I don't think I need any. I think I'm gonna end the time lapse here and put it all over. I know that a vlogging gaming channel mix isn't very common, but thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Yeah, bye. And any comments would be greatly appreciated. See you next time.